Sometimes the water will be leaked from the pipe due to several reasons, like the damage of the washer, like that. Then we will call the plumber to fix it, but sometimes the plumber will take some time to come and fix it. In the meantime, to avoid the water to be wasted, we have a small trick so that we can avoid the flow of water. Sound will also come when the washer is damaged or when pipe is damaged. Along with the water flowing, the sound will also come. The sound will also be reduced by this trick. We have to take some 50 coin size, this size rubber bands, and about 12 rubber bands you have to take, and these rubber bands have to be stretched like this all at once. See this. After stretching all this, it will be like this. It will look like a very strong band. Now we have to fix this strong band, elastic band, flexible band to the pipe, and now I will show you how to fix this band to the pipe. See, immediately after tying this band to the pipe, to this lower part of the pipe and to this upper part, one thing, the sound has stopped, and also the water dropping has also stopped. One thing, main important point you have to remember is that when you fix the rubber band, don't drag this upper part to the corner of this bar, iron bar. You have to keep in between. I will show you very closely. In between you have to keep this band. You should not be at the rear end, at the front end, or at the rear end. It should be in between. This is how we can repair the flowing pipe or dropping pipe before coming the plumber in the meantime, so that the sound will not be there, and also the dropping after the water will be saved. This trick is very helpful in reducing water wastage. Water is very precious, and we have to preserve and conserve the water. It prevents, this trick helps in conserving the water, and it stops wastage of water. Now I will show you again. Yes. If you want to use the tap, we can use like this, and if you want to close the tap, again we have to just keep that in position, and it will stop. You have to keep in straight position. Then no sound will be there, and no dropping of water will be there. But one important thing is we have to keep this band in between the iron bar. It's a very eco-friendly tip because it reduces in water wastage till the plumber comes. Thank you very much.